Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday. We're going to get ready for our spelling test. You should have your spelling paper right now. We'll go through the directions together. Please follow along as I read them aloud. Number 1, put your name and your number on your paper. Number 2, when you're ready to begin, you will listen to the word as I say it. Pause the video. Then neatly spell the word on your paper. Before you go on, look at the word. Whisper spell it. Make sure you have all the letters. Remember, your brain goes faster than your hand. If it looks right, press play and go on for the next word. At the end, you'll choose 2 words, 2 spelling words, and write 2 sentences. Make them interesting. On the back of your paper, write those interesting sentences and make sure you use capital letters and end punctuation. All right, let's begin. Number 1, grass. The grass was wet this morning from the fog. Grass. Number 2, I have taken 4 trips down the hallway trying to get to the workroom before somebody else gets down there first. 4 trips. Number 3, crack. There's a crack in the sidewalk outside of my house. Crack. Number 4, still. We are still working on new skills to become better readers. Still. Number 5, west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. West. Number 6, mask. I can't wait to see what kind of a mask someone might wear on Halloween. Mask. Number 7, clap. I will clap my hands when I'm trying to get your attention. Clap. Number 8, plans. I think about our lessons and make plans every night before I come to school the next day. Plans. Number 9, milk. I love chocolate milk, and it looked like most of you do too. Milk. Number 10, belt. If your pants are starting to fall down, you might need a new belt. Belt. Number 11, fog. Fog made the grass wet this morning. Fog. Number 12, tub. I like to take a nice warm bath in my tub in my bathroom. Tub. 13, if you put your hand down on paper and trace it, you will make a nice decoration. The word is trace. Trace. Number 14, placed. I placed a pencil holder on your desk so that you could put your pencil in it and it won't fall on the floor. Placed. Number 15, range. We have been reading a range of pages in our book from 1 to 20. We've read the range of 1 to 20 pages in our book. Range. Number 16, space. Please make sure when you line up, you give everybody their personal space. Space. Number 17, raced. 3 students raced around the playground this afternoon. Raced. Number 18, excuse me, escaped. The naughty dog escaped out of his backyard. Escape. Number 19, there. Please go over there by the door and sit down if you need to calm yourself. There. Number 20, almost. We are starting our book. We will almost be finished with it before fall break. Almost. All right, boys and girls, please choose 2 spelling words, write them on the back. Write interesting sentences and have a great day.